Okay, so my project is a interactive geometric rock. It's going to have 13 LED surfaces that will light up individually, and each surface will be conductive. So all of them will act like a switch. So you can just tap on it, and each surface will light up individually. Also, I'm planning to add like mood lighting and time-based lighting. So like as the time passes and it turns to evening, the lights will slowly turn to yellow. And if I still get time, I will try to add Bluetooth connectivity so that this entire rock can interact with music and light up accordingly. I was choosing between a natural aesthetic and a retro futuristic one, but I ended up going with a natural aesthetic because it aligns better with the concept of a rock, which is naturally occurring, and also it will help enhance the authenticity. Also, I wanted to create something calming rather than something vibrant and flashy. For manufacturing, I'm going to use an Arduino 3-watt RGB LEDs, a conductive 3D printing filament, and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi modules. I'm planning to make the outer structure out of MDF and through laser cutting and assemble it and make the surfaces out of the conductive filament. And there'll be LEDs behind each surface. So for now, I have finished the CAD modeling and design, and I'm progressing to the next stage, which is the coding part. I made a basic code on Arduino, and I still have to make some updates to add the mood lighting and the Bluetooth music part. I'm going to use NeoPixel lights, and yeah, that should sum it up. So my question for you guys would be, would you guys want anything else in this project, or does this seem enough?
So the LEDs just change color over time based on this pre-programmed script.
Yeah.
You could add like a capacitive touch sensor. So whenever you touch it, it does maybe it could like do its own little light show for a little bit and then go back to what it was doing before. So it can react to being touched.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's what I was planning with each surface. So each of these surfaces will be capacitive. So you can turn them on individually. And maybe I can add another surface somewhere where it just acts as a button so they can light up in a particular manner. Does anybody have any questions?
I was just curious what dimensions it's going to be.
It's probably going to be like uh, 5 inches by 5 inches by 5 inches.
You're trying to adhere to your natural aesthetic. Did you have any debate about using an RGB light, or have you considered using like a natural warmer light?
Yeah, I was planning to use a natural warmer light at first so that it matches the natural aesthetic, but then I thought that it won't help in mood lighting. I won't get white and yellow and different, so I just don't ended up shifting to RGB. Okay, then I think that should be it. Does anybody else have any other questions?